here with UTV Driver. Going to show you how to unload off a RampTek trailer. Quick disconnects for your straps. You pull them up, that unlocks them, they go free, and they self-retract. There's 4, 1 on each corner. Makes it nice and easy. And then there's pins in the tailgate. You pull it out and you twist slightly, and that lets the tailgate go down. Now you just drive off the back. Easy as that. That's all there is to it. The tailgate will take care of itself. When you're ready to load, just drive back up, put your pins back in place, strap it down, you're good to go.